demonstrations in action. In one of the 5G Live's real deployments at Vecāķi Beach, a child was spotted drifting dangerously far from the designated safe zone. A drone, actively patrolling the area, detected the movement and, thanks to onboard AI, identified it as a potential rescue case. Within a moment, the operation control was alerted and issued an emergency dispatch. A jet ski was launched and reached the child in under a minute. The drone autonomously resumed its mission post-intervention. This event validated how drones not only cut response times by over 10 minutes, but also optimize resource use, requiring fewer personnel for routine patrols.
In the first pilot in Turin, a simulated wildfire was staged on the local hillside under conditions of poor visibility. This scenario was carefully chosen to reflect sudden emergency that offers no advance warning. A drone equipped with thermal imaging and terrain awareness capabilities was deployed to monitor the simulated fire zone. Despite challenging conditions, the drone transmitted real-time video to the Centro Operativo Comunale, or COC, using 5G connectivity. This allowed civil protection teams at the command center to assess to the extent of the threat as it developed. Thanks to the live infrared imagery, operators could quickly evaluate evacuation needs and reposition emergency personnel in a safer, more effective way. This pilot demonstrated that with 5G-enabled UAVs, cities can dramatically increase their readiness and coordination in high-risk scenarios that require the rapid decision-making. In this pilot, the drone missions were focused on identified landslide risk zones in the hills surrounding Turin. The team deployed the EBX fixed-wing drone, which was flown beyond visual line of sight, allowing it to scan large, remote areas efficiently. As the drone flew, it captured high-resolution terrain imagery. That data was then processed using photogrammetry software, which allowed analysts to map even subtle slope changes and the river flow patterns, two key indicators of potential landslide movement. What made this particularly impactful is how the data was used. It was integrated directly into the city's early warning system, enabling civil protection teams to spot the risk factor much earlier. This marked a shift from reactive response to proactive risk prevention, helping protect infrastructure and citizens before a landslide occurs, not just after.